Good morning, Laura. How's your day so far?
Good morning. It's been great, but I was thinking sometimes I get confused with the verb to be, like when to use am, is, was, or will be. It's tricky.
That's a fantastic question. You're not alone, many people find the verb to be challenging at first. But don't worry. Today, we're going to break it all down step by step. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to use to be in the present, past, and future like a pro.
Oh, that sounds helpful. But why is it so important to learn to be?
Great question. The verb to be is one of the most common and essential verbs in English. It's everywhere when you describe yourself, talk about the past, or make future plans. And we'll also learn about there is and there are, which help us describe things around us. These are the building blocks of English conversations.
That sounds amazing. Let's get started.
And you, my friends, to learn the most from this video, in the first part you may need a notebook and a pen, or even write on your phone. Stop the video at each page and record the information in it. And if you have a problem with any word, translate it immediately. In the second part, you will answer some simple exercises related to the topic of the video. Then, after that, you will have a listening experience with an easy and enjoyable conversation to apply these rules. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let's get started.
Let's start with the verb to be. It changes depending on the tense, whether we're talking about the present, past, or future. First up, let's look at the present tense. In the present tense, the verb to be has three forms: am, is, and are. These depend on the subject of the sentence. Let me show you some examples. I am a student. She is happy. They are friends. Remember, am is used with I, is used with singular subjects like he, she, or it, and are is used with plural subjects like we, they, or you. Got it? Next, let's move to the past tense. Here, we use was four singular subjects and were four plural subjects. Let's see some examples. I was at the park yesterday.
He was tired last night.
We were excited about the trip. See how is used with I, he, and she, while were is for we, they, and you? Easy, right? Now, let's talk about the future. For the future tense, we use will be. This stays the same for all subjects. Here are some examples. I will be a teacher next year. She will be here soon. They will be ready by 5 p.m. So, no need to change the form for different subjects in the future. Just will be every time. Alright, now let's talk about something related. There is and there are. These are super helpful for describing what's around you. We use there is for singular nouns and there are for plural nouns. Let me show you. There is a book on the table. There are 3 cats in the garden. Did you notice the difference? There is for one item, and there are 4 more than one. What if something isn't there? Let's look at the negative forms. There is not or isn't, and there are not or aren't. There isn't any milk left. There aren't any cars here. It's easy. Just add not to make it negative. And you can use the short forms isn't and aren't to sound more natural in conversations. So, let's quickly recap what we've learned today. To be changes depending on the tense: am, is, are for the present, was, were for the past, and will be for the future. There is and there are help us describe what's around us with singular and plural nouns. Now, are you ready to practice? Let's try some examples together.
Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verb to be. I am a student. She was at home yesterday. They are very happy right now. Choose the correct form of the verb to be. 1. They are playing in the garden. 2. She was late for school yesterday. 3. There are 3 apples on the counter.
Hi, Emma. How are you today?
I'm fine. Actually, I'm feeling a bit tired.
Tired? Why? Were you up late last night?
Yeah, I was. I was working on my presentation for class. It's due tomorrow.
Oh, I know how stressful that can be. Is it ready now?
Almost. I think it's good, but I'm still a little nervous. Public speaking isn't my favorite thing.
Don't worry, Emma. You're always so well prepared. Your presentations are great.
Thanks, Liam. That means a lot. So, what about you? Are you busy this week?
I am, actually. My team and I are working on a group project for science class. It's about renewable energy.
That's interesting. Are you focusing on solar energy?
Yes, we are. Solar energy is such a fascinating topic. The potential is huge.
I agree. It's amazing how it can power so many things. Is your project almost done?
Not yet. We still need to finish some research and prepare a model for the presentation. It's a lot of work, but we're getting there.
I'm sure it'll turn out great. By the way, is your little sister still taking piano lessons?
That's so cool. How old is she now?
That's so cool. How old is she now?
She's 10. She's growing up so fast.
I think so. Why? Do you have something in mind?
I think so. Why? Do you have something in mind?
Well, there's a new movie out, and I was thinking it might be fun to see it together.
That sounds great. What kind of movie is it?
It's an adventure movie. I've heard it's really exciting.
Perfect. I love adventure movies. Let's do it. Are tickets available online?
They are. I'll check later and book them for us.
Awesome. I'm excited. Oh, by the way, have you ever been to the new cafe near the library?
I haven't yet. Is it good?
It is. The coffee is amazing, and the atmosphere is so relaxing. You should check it out.
I'll definitely do that. Maybe we can go together after the movie.
That's a great idea. I'll be there.
Cool. Oh, I just remembered, were you at the park yesterday? I thought I saw you.
Yes, I was. I was playing soccer with my cousins.
I knew it was you. You guys looked like you were having so much fun.
We were. It's been a while since we all got together.
That's nice. Spending time with family is so important.
It is. By the way, are your parents still traveling?
Yes, they are. They'll be back next week.
That's great. It must be quiet at home without them.
I'm sure you will. Hey, it's getting late. I should head home now.
I'm sure you will. Hey, it's getting late. I should head home now.
Yeah, me too. Thanks for the chat, Liam. It's always nice talking to you.
Same here, Emma. Have a good night.
You too. See you this weekend.